In this video, I'm going to show you all how to delete Facebook Lite account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Facebook Lite app. In order to delete your Facebook Lite account, make sure that you're logged in into the account that you want to delete. After that, here you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you'll be able to see various options. On the top, you'll be able to see a search bar and a hamburger option. Here you'll have to tap on the hamburger option. After tapping on the hamburger option, you'll be in the menu. Here in the menu, you'll be able to see various options. Scroll down and you'll be able to see a settings options right between feeds and dark mode. Tap on settings. Right after tapping on settings on the first option, you'll be able to see personal and account information followed by password and security and payments. Here you'll have to tap on the first option, personal and account information. After that, here you'll get about 4 options being your name, email address, phone number, and account ownership and control. Here you'll have to tap on account ownership and control. After that, on the second option, you'll be able to see deactivation and deletion. Tap on that. After that, here you'll be able to choose 2 options, deactivate account or delete account. Deactivating your account is temporary and you can once again activate your account. Meanwhile, deleting your account is permanent, and after you have deleted your account, there is no way to revive your account. If you're sure enough to delete your account, tap on the delete account option and tap on continue. After that, here you'll have to choose an option as to why you're deleting your Facebook Lite account. Here you'll get about 5 options. I spent too much time on Facebook, followed by I have a privacy concern, I don't feel safe on Facebook, my account was hacked, and I no longer find Facebook useful. Choose your preferred one and tap on it. I'll be tapping the first option. After that, tap on continue to account deletion. After that, here you'll be set permanently delete your account, and here you'll also be set that once the deletion process has begun, you won't be able to reactivate your account. You can keep your messenger or deactivate it instead. You can also save your posts and also download your information. After that, here tap on delete account option. In order to delete your account and to confirm that this is your account, you'll have to type the password that you have used while creating your Facebook Lite account. Type the password and tap on continue. Once again, here you'll be asked to confirm whether you want to delete your account or not. Tap on delete account. And just like that, here as you can see, your account has been scheduled to be deleted in the next 30 days. You will have an option to cancel the deletion and retrieve any of the content or information until the 30 days time period. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Facebook Lite account. I hope you find this video useful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.